Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up the emergency SOS and medical information in your INFINIX Hot 60i. So, at first what I do recommend doing is to open the settings. Here, scroll all the way down and tap Safety and Emergency. Here, now as you can see, we have medical information. If you tap it, you can enter your name, date of birth, blood type, height, weight, and if you tap more, you can enter allergies, pregnancy status, medications, address, medical notes, and organ donor. If you tap on every single one, you can just enter the value. So I do recommend to enter the data in this phone, your data, because it's only your private data, and if something happens to you, this information can be useful. Apart from that, if you go back and tap Emergency SOS, you can see how it works. Press the power button quickly 5 times or more, touch and hold to start emergency actions. If you tap Try a demo, you can see next. With confirmation, Emergency SOS starts after you touch and hold for 3 seconds, or without confirmation, Emergency SOS starts after a countdown. Press the power button quickly 5 times or more. What to expect next? Now we have to just select the call, and now this is the demo. That's how it looks like. Apart from that, wait a moment, I need to place my phone back here. We do have, if you scroll down, emergency actions. Call emergency services, share info with emergency contacts, but I'm not signed into my Google account, and record emergency video. If you're signed in, you can just enable these options and set it up just for you. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.